do we get less reward for not being able to fast all Ramadan as the result of the monthly cycle? So the question is as follows. The women, almost all the women in the childbearing age, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made it or ordained on them that they get their monthly cycle. So it's not something by choice. That's number one. And number two, He also, subhanahu wa ta'ala, ordained on them and ordered them and made it an obligation that the woman, us, should not fast in that time. And the first one is what the hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, when it's narrated by Sayyidah Aisha, when they were going for Hajj, and as they came very close to Mecca, in Saraf, a place very close to Mecca, and she was sitting, and Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam entered and saw her crying. And he immediately asked her, Anafasti, did you had your period? And she said, yes. So he immediately responded and said, هذا شيء كتبه الله على بنات آدم. This is something Allah had ordained, and this is something Allah have decreed on the woman of, on the daughters of Adam. And then he gave the ruling about the Hajj, what the woman should and should not do during that. So the first thing I want all my sisters, and actually we all as Muslims need to learn this, is that this is something the woman has no choice in it. And that's something, just like I say to myself and everyone, we have no control over the way we look, or the how tall we are, or the color of our eyes, or the color of our skin. That's something Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordained. That's something Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decreed. And everything Allah decreed absolutely is full of wisdom and absolutely is good for us. We may know it, we may not know it. This is simply because we are human. So back to the question of the sister, and her question was actually, do we get less reward for not being able to fast all Ramadan as a result of the monthly cycle? The answer is absolutely no, categorically. Many reasons. Number one, when I am not fasting, and this is my time, or this is the menstruation time, I am obeying Allah. I am not fasting because Allah told me not to. So I'm actually rewarded. That's number one. So I am not fasting. Allah told me to do that. Then I am rewarded. That's number one. Number two, I am ordered, and I should make up that fasting later on, whether immediately, whether delayed, but I have to make it up. The fact I make it up, then my Ramadan is complete. I did not fast 5, 6, 7 days, whatever is my monthly cycle during Ramadan. I obeyed Allah by not fasting. So I am rewarded. I am doing a good deed. Then I am making it up later. So then my Ramadan is complete.